Hi guys, are you looking for the best smart door lock? In this video we will show the best smart door lock. So we are going to be taking a look at the best 5 smart door locks you can buy. Each has its own features, advantages and prices to assist you in making the ideal choice. I did deep research, read tons of reviews and compiled a list of the best smart door locks from reputable brands. After much research I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any future delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Yale Assure Lock 2. The stylish and adaptable Yale Assure Lock 2 comes in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth versions. Both variants are compatible with HomeKit, while the Wi-Fi model is compatible with Google Assistant. Although the base model has a physical keypad, you have the option to upgrade to a touchscreen if you'd like. In either case, physical keys and a companion app are extra unlocking ways. You can choose the features you want from Yale's lock system if you enjoy personalizing your smart home appliances. Support for HomeKit is also somewhat uncommon in this market. Number 2. The Igloo Home Smart Padlock 2 and Bridge. If you want to remotely monitor and share access to anything, including your bicycle, gated property, and shed, the Igloo Home Smart Padlock 2 and Bridge is a wise choice. With support for keypad, Alexa voice control, and apps, it's safe and simple to use. Long-term outside use is not a concern thanks to its sturdy construction and long battery life, which also allow for interior use. The Igloo Home Smart Padlock 2 and Bridge is a great choice for extra peace of mind if a conventional padlock isn't enough. Its lack of third-party integrations like HomeKit, IFT, or Matter is our biggest grievance. Number 3. Ultralock Bolt Fingerprint. Our best choice is the Ultralock Bolt Fingerprint because of its sturdy design, ease of use, and several lock and unlock options. Its outside zinc alloy component has a keypad, a conventional keyway, and a biometric fingerprint scanner. You can use your phone or voice to lock and open it from any location thanks to its integrated Wi-Fi radio and compatibility with almost all smart home platforms. Additionally, it has a sensor that indicates if your door is open or closed. For those who wish to add a linked lock to their house, the Ultralock Bolt Fingerprint is a great option. This entire lock assembly has some of the most cutting-edge features we've seen, and it's simple to install. It works with a variety of third-party devices and conveniently offers location-based and time-based automated unlocking and locking. Number 4. Eufy Video Smart Lock. The Eufy Video Smart Lock is special since it is a single gadget that combines a video doorbell with a smart lock. Along with its crisp 2K video resolution, we appreciate that it provides fingerprint, touchpad, mobile app, and key access. Its feature set is completed with intelligent alerts and numerous LEDs for night vision. Just be aware that in order to activate Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, you need to install the supplied chime box. The Eufy Video Smart Lock is a good option if you want to upgrade your home with a smart lock and video doorbell but don't want to manage several gadgets. The convenience of a single device may make the higher price you pay for this combo worthwhile. Number 5. Kwikset Halo Touch Fingerprint Smart Lock. The Kwikset Halo Touch is a stylish and fashionable lock with whisper quiet operation that is simple to install. You may use your phone, voice instructions from Alexa or Google Assistant, your fingerprint, or a set of conventional keys to lock and unlock your door. During testing, it always complied with access schedules and replied immediately to all lock and unlock requests. The Kwikset Halo Touch is an excellent choice if you're looking for a stylish smart lock that can scan fingerprints. Its design is ageless, but it does not accept IFT applets. I make useful videos daily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please read my description if you require any additional information or would like to know the product's price. For any type of problem, please comment below. Keep up with our awesome items.